There's nothing more festive than freshly baked gingerbread. They're so fun to make and they make a great edible gift. So we'll start by creaming our butter and sugar together. So when your butter and sugar is thick and pale, we'll add our golden syrup and 1 egg yolk. And now we'll add our dry ingredients. Plain flour, 1 tablespoon of ground ginger, 1 teaspoon of mixed spice, and 1 teaspoon of bicarb soda. And just fold together until a stiff dough forms. So once your dough has come together and it's nice and smooth, we're going to divide it into 2 pieces. And it is quite crumbly at this stage, so it will all come together when you shape it in the plastic wrap. Okay, so now we're going to chill in the fridge for 30 minutes to rest the dough. Take your dough out of the fridge and make sure it comes to room temperature before you start rolling. So we're going to use 2 sheets of baking paper to roll out the dough. And you do this because you don't want the dough to stick, but you also don't want to add any more flour at this stage because it's a lovely colour. I like to turn the paper in quarters as I go, so you get a nice even level. And you want to roll this out to about 5 millimeters thick. And now we're going to use our gingerbread cutters to make the shapes. Transfer the gingerbread men to your lined tray. Space your gingerbread men a few centimetres apart so they don't spread into each other when they cook. Bake the gingerbread men at 180 for 10 minutes in 2 batches. Our gingerbread is completely cooled, so now we're going to ice them. I must confess I'm really bad at icing, so I'm just going to do an outline on the gingerbread men, but you can decorate them however you like. I'm just using a store-bought white icing, but you can of course make your own. Leave your white icing to dry completely, then you can wrap your gingerbread men in brown paper for an edible gift, or you can just eat them straight from the jar. For more great recipes, go to delicious.com.au.